Today we're checking out DigiParser, a document extraction tool that turns PDFs, invoices, receipts, bank statements, and more into clean, structured data. If you're a bookkeeper, accountant, or agency owner, you know the drill. A mountain of PDFs arrives, and somehow someone has to open each one and manually key the data into a spreadsheet. Tedious, error-prone, and honestly just a terrible use of anyone's time. DigiParser handles all of that automatically, so the data shows up where you need it, without the copy-paste grind. The core of DigiParser is the document parser. You can create separate parsers for invoices, bank statements, receipts, pay slips, or any custom document type. And there are ready-made templates for almost everything. Each parser lets you define exactly which fields you want to extract. Need billing address pulled from every invoice? Just name the field, set the type, add an AI instruction, and every document processed going forward will include it automatically. When you're ready to process, you can upload documents in bulk, up to 500 at once. Drop in a backlog of thousands of invoices and DigiParser works through them in minutes. Every processed document shows its extracted data in the right panel, including JSON and XML formats if you need them. You don't even have to manually upload. Each parser gets its own unique email address. Set up a forwarding rule in Gmail and every invoice that hits your inbox gets automatically routed to DigiParser, processed and organized. No manual steps required. You can also enable smart folders, which automatically sort documents into the right folder the moment they meet your conditions. For teams processing mixed document types, the document classifier sits on top of your parsers and routes everything automatically. Invoices go to the invoice parser, bank statements go to the bank statement parser, and anything that doesn't match a rule gets skipped or sent to a default parser. DigiParser also supports confidence scoring, so fields that need a human eye get flagged for review before anything gets exported. When you're ready to export, you've got CSV, Excel, JSON, and XML. Plus, webhook exports, Google Sheets, QuickBooks via Zapier, and direct API integration. If document data entry is eating hours your team doesn't have, DigiParser turns that pile of PDFs into usable structured data automatically. Click Buy now to stop manually copying documents and start extracting data on autopilot with DigiParser today.